almost cut my hair.
Go and get it, nigga. What you waiting on? Clientele jumping. I got hate on. Real roll runner. I know how to get it done. Go get in with me. Why you broke, nigga? Go and get your hustle on.
$30, baby.
Too many ways to get it. Why you still at home? If you rent due, stick and move. I'ma show you what to do.
I got butterflies in my belly.
Mr. Lowe's in the eyes till the clothes stand back. Take that drive. If your girl still tripping, tell her shut up, hold it down. You ain't
Fucking smoked, stoked, and stroked.
thinking about shit on the money on your mind. Go and get it, nigga. Do it big, they ain't fucking with you. Let them see that hustle in you. Go and get that skrilla. Everything get a chance. You better represent. You know the haters watching, they gon' tell you shit. Hottest thing poppin', like a potty plant. Best thing rockin', I done dropped another hit. Go and get it, nigga. What you waiting on?
That's all you, man.
I'll take it.
Take that. Dirty Dev. Dirty fucking Dev, baby!
I'll buy it for $1,000. Right now?
Real peasant. Alexis opening the door with a key. It is so goddamn hot in here.
What are you doing?
Do you see the nice sunset?
Yeah, it's beautiful out.
So I can't wait to see you.
I can't wait to see you.
Did you bring Mickey's or DO5s?
Mickey's.
Why? Why are you on Mickey's and not DO5s?
Look at a fucking ladder board. Just doing hook on that over there.
Everyone else is on Hoosiers though.
I'm not a fucking follower, I'm a leader.
If you smoke the tires first round, I'm gonna kick you in the nut.
Because I was being cheap.
Your brother won last year on DO5s. You look good with them Hoosiers.
Well, my brother's a loser. I can run a fucking hard tire and bust 277's ass.
Yeah, I'm on my Memphis shit. These bitches coming in the pack. Y'all, these niggas pussy cats.
Kings of the motherfucking South, son. I gotta put these windows down. I'm fucking dying.
Oh, boy.
I'm in.
Trying to put my trailer lights on. Balling on a budget. I don't know how they work. Look how dusty this thing is.
It's disgusting.
There, we're ready to rock and roll now. Okay.
Yo, this thing's blowing hot air. You're a real dirtbag. You're a scumbag. You had the heated seats on too.
Why are you sweating?
You're torturing yourself to torture me. Where are we going?
Somewhere. Look at the best AC in Dutchess County. I'll turn your cold seat on.
Pit stop number 1, not even a mile away.
Krusty Krab pizza. The best pizza.
Do you know Virginia is for lovers?
Yeah. Get the camera out of my face. I'm sick of it. Frank,
Leave me alone.
why are you so late, man?
No. Don't start this calling me at 5 minutes shit. The late, the shit don't start till 12:30.
It starts at 9.
No, it doesn't. I've read the thing.
He said do not show up at 12:30.
Yeah, we're not showing up at 12:30. We're not racing. You are.
You're supposed to be
I
part
can
of the
show up at 3
team.
o'clock.
Are you on the team or not?
Goodbye.
See it? Selfish Frank. He wants to be for the winning photos, but not for their.
Nope. It's only me and you in a winner's circle.
Yep.
You can't cruise around in a fucking 1500 no more. He's too cool for us. Crashes my car, crashes Ant's car.
Crashes
Well, he doesn't crash
everyone's.
his own car.
You look like you have Parkinson's disease. Fucking jerking the fucking wheel all over the place.
Oh, look at my car doing a tailwind.
Really let me down on this one. This is unacceptable.
Sorry. I don't like it. It stinks, right?
Rise and shine.
Hello?
Frank,
Hi.
what are you doing?
I just woke up.
You know what the difference between me and you is?
What's that?
You're a fucking loser.
Guess what? I
What?
have a job. You don't. Loser.
I don't need one.
What happens if you draw Axeman first round?
I'm gonna cut his fucking head off. Oh look, Frank actually won a race.
What was that, like 2 years ago?
Yeah, I think so. I won at a gas station, 369. Wait, 369? That just means how many days of the year it is.
No, there's 365 days in a year.
369.
No, not everything ends in a 69.
Oh.
This is all bad karma.
What am I gonna do?
Go out
Lose?
first round.
I wanna lose first round so I can go home see my baby.
It's kind of cute.
Are you jealous?
No, I'm not. If he was 5, maybe.
I'm going like 85, 82.
I'm doing 90 trying to catch up to him. I can't.
No way.
I'm serious.
I don't know. That's how I drive all the time. I don't realize, you know?
I don't recognize you. You're a savage. Goodbye.
What up?
Come on.
Kind of reminds me of KD Dragway a little bit.
Hi, buddy.
I love you.
Good morning.
Put a magnet on the car.
Yo, what are you checking? Huh? Oh, on my car? Oh.
I show Ken how to do it like this, a magnet. You go, dun, dun.
What, you think we're a bunch of cheaters?
Yeah, right?
Right, who was that?
Hey, it's just Bondo, all right?
When I'm a tech guy, I have no friends.
Where's your bullhorn at?
Answer me,
Say
man.
you run the
Turn your shit
show.
on.
I don't have that.
This is what I'm talking
You're not even prepared for your own event. I don't think we're gonna win without them rear wheels polished.
No. Stop it. Don't instigate it.
Come on, they need to be polished.
I said it. I'd say no, but you know, the wheels gotta be polished.
Keying on the flashlight today.
I can do
Bang,
it.
bang.
It ain't that hard.
They put my fucking ass on roadblocks last
You got a mask tattooed on your chest.
No shirt Saturdays, they here.
Government, I got to drive for second chance for him because he's nervous Nelly. He said, I got butterflies in my belly.
You already boozed him.
I swear on my mother, I'm not.
They whole click, man. With witnesses around, they know how we get down. So when the cops come, they ain't see shit, man. My soldiers slinging canes, and they slowly see the rain. Come through the hood and you can cop that. I'm sitting on some change. G-Unit, that's the gang. Come through here stunting, you can pop that. I love the pump crack. I love the squeeze gas, but you don't hear me though. I love to hit the block. I love my 2 clocks. Love the bus shots, but you don't hear me though. I love the pump crack. Love the stay strapped. Love the squeeze gas, but you don't hear me though.
Piece of shit.
He's out of the car now. God damn. No, is he alright? Yo, why do you put the 2 big guys on the back? Chill out with the speed. No, my head's catching there like a spoiler. Stop. My cousin is I'm scared. What the fuck are you doing, man?
How you doing, man?
This wheel's not gonna turn.
What are you
She's a
doing?
good girl.
Yeah, this one.
Did a good job.
You should have DO5s on it.
Water?
Nah, I'm good, man.
You alright?
Yeah. Cold beer. Cold beer.
You know, you always gotta cause problems for us.
Right? Or maybe you all cause problems for me.
Done, go back. Go up, put the wood under that side.
What am I gonna do? Pick the car up?
Nigga, I'm gonna lift it with the boom. Go up a little bit. Up, up. Up.
Frankie, use mother's strength.
Yeah.
I think you got her.
Well, Frank, he did what you did last week.
Yeah. We're 0 for 2. Now you can't make fun of me.
Be good for a second chance.
Green stops when you're in the lane.
Second chance.
I don't know how he ain't hurting. If that was Chris's car, think how bad that would be.
Folded. Yeah.
Push it. Push it. Go, sir. Keep going. Good.
Right there. No, Dave, that block right there, that fucking railroad tie over there. Bumper cars. Well, sir, it was a good race. Thank you, buddy.
You and me going fishing in the dark, lying on our backs and counting the stars where the cool grass grows.
Why don't you go give it to a little kid?
Give me your, I want the front.
Go give it to someone.
All right, and we're gonna try to give this away to a kid to see if they want our garbage. You want to give this to a little kid?
How are we going to pick out a little kid that wants it?
I don't know. First one that shows up at the booth.
The first little kid that comes up to the booth can have this Ron Jeremy front bumper. You're not a kid. Get out of here.
Yeah, take it.
I'll take it.
Take it, man.
I'll buy it for 1,000.
Right now?
Yo, you can't be hustling it. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Love you. Love you. I gotta sign this thing? I'm not that important, bro.
To me,
Hold
you're
on.
important, bro.
Oh, thank you. Dirty Dev there, baby.
Dirty Dev.
Yeah.
Wait, $30. Bro, you're not gonna fix
Whoa, look at that marker.
Yeah.
Oh, that's an official sign.
Sign it to my mom.
Dev, sign this thing, bro. Oh, God.
Dev, sign this thing, bro.
Dirty Dev.
Dirty fucking Dev, baby! Maybe you can sell that for like
I'm selling
free.
Yo, I'm putting this shit on eBay for fucking $5 grand.
Damn, got it going on. Oh, he didn't.
So first round losers or first round crash? First round wreckers. I'm happy you're okay, buddy. That was the first time I was scared.
Yo, that place is packed. Fuck the drag strip. You wanna hang out there?
That's where we're gonna get into next. Dirt cars.
Turning over to a dirt car. I'm safe. We're good to go. Oh, that folk trailer.
Remember how we saw all those crosses on the side of the road on the way down?
It's not that fault.
God
you know
saved
whose
you.
fault this is?
Oh.
Yours.
Why? Because
I want to go on a boat and you pure pressure will come out here.
It's not my fault. You should put DL5s on it. Yes, you're quiet on this trip. Happy you're safe. I'm gonna take a look at Ron. I didn't do nothing. JP touched it, that's why.
King is gone, is not forgotten. Is this a tale of Johnny Rotten?
Bye. Love you. Bye bye.
It's better
Goodbye, Ron. Back to Delaware and this friggin' piece of shit. Can't have anything nice.